We have next example. To solve this inequality, it means we have to find all possible values of r for which this inequality is true. Let me copy this example first. I have r over 3 plus r over 4 is less than r over 2 plus r. Because we have fractions, I will multiply both sides by the common denominator. It will be 12. So I have to multiply every fraction by 12. So I have 12 times r over 3 plus 12 times r over 4 is less than 12 times r over 2 plus 12r. So 3 and 12 will reduce and I have 4. So 4 times r will be 4r plus 4 and 12 will reduce, will be 3r is less than 2 and 12 will reduce, will be 6r plus 12r. Now I will collect all terms with r on the left side. So I have 4r plus 3r will be 7r, and on the right side I have 6r plus 12r will be 18r. I will move to the left side, so I have to change the side, will be negative 18r is less than 0. 7r minus 18r is negative 11r is less than 0. Now to reduce negative 11, I have to divide both sides by negative 11. Negative 11 and negative 11 will cancel, and I have r, and because I divide by negative number, I have to change the direction of inequality. It will be r is greater than 0. We have number line r, 0. 0 is not included. So, and we have r is greater than, it means we're going to positive infinity. We have interval from 0 to positive infinity. This is our solution. Now we have to check if it's correct. It means I have to choose one number from this interval. For example, r equals 1. So I have to copy this example. I have r over 3 plus r over 4 is less than r over 2 plus r. Now I have to replace r by 1. So I have 1/3 plus 1/4 is less than 1/2 plus 1. Because I have fractions on both sides, I will multiply both sides by the common denominator, 12. 12. So I have to multiply 12 by 1/3. 12 times 1/3 plus 12 times 1/4 is less than 12 times 1/2, and 1 times 12 is 12. So 3 and 12 will cancel, will be 4 times 1 is 4, plus 4 and 12 will reduce, will be 3 times 1 is 3, is less than 12, and 2 will reduce, will be 6 times 1 is 6, plus 12. So we have 4 plus 3 is 7, is less than 6 plus 12 is 18. So we see the left side is less than the right side. So our inequality is true. So our solution is correct.